Yo, what's good guys? እንዴት ናችሁ? ፒስ ነው አለው። ዛሬ ማን ነው? ቅዳሜ another day another me. I'm fucking back. ፒስ ነው አለው እኔ። So ዛሬ አራት ታስኮች አሉ። it's must be done ላይ የጻፍኳቸው እነሱን ታስኮ መጨረስ አለብኝ። ማዘርም ለባል ታግዘኛለህ ምናምን ብላኝ ነበረ። ምንም ማድረግ አይቻልም እንግዲህ እንደ ኒውስ ነው። ሳታውቁ አንዳንድ ነገሮች ሀፕን ያደርጋሉ። እሱ ባይኖር ኖሮ ብዙ ምሰራቸው ስራዎች ነበሩ። even if እዛም ፒሲ ነው ሲጂ እዛ ለመስራት ሞክራለሁ እና ያለው ነገር ነው። ዛሬ ሰው ወደ 3 ሰዓት ነበር የተነሳሁት። አሁን ኦልሞስት 4 ሰዓት ሊሆን ነው። ተልኬ ነበረ እና ወካራኩ በዛውም ሰው there's good thing። ዛሬም እንትን እናደርጋለን፣ ፕራክቲስ እናደርጋለን። ብዙ ነገሮች አሉ። ሰው ትላንትና ያላረግናቸው ነበሩ። ትላንትና ምንም ማድረግ አልችልም። ሶ እንደተለመደው ዛጋ ሜቢ ከታያችሁ በኋላ ማሳያችኋለሁ። አወዝብኝ ብዬ ጻፍኩት። ይደብራል ስራችሁ ቃሉ ይደብራል። ያ ለዛ ነው ስለሚደብር ነው። እንዳይደብረኝ ደግሞ ሰራዋለሁ ማለት ነው። ያ ነው እንትኑ። ሶ ፕራክቲስ እናደርጋለን፣ ብዙ ነገሮች እናደርጋለን። ሶ የትናንትናው ቪዲዮ ያላያችሁ የዛሬው አይገባችሁም። ገብታችሁት ሶ let's work. What's good? እንዴናችሁ? ላይክ ፊት ለፊት እንዴት ነው? ፊት ለፊት ተገናኘን አይቷ ይላል። እቺ ነገር እንዴት ላርጋ በደንብ እንዲታያችሁ እንዲላል። አይ ያው አካችሁ እንትን ይሉም እንዴ ነገር ማርጋት ያበደ እንዴት ናችሁ? ፒስ ናችሁ? ይሄው እንደምታዩት clean home I did fix the setup we did shave your hair አርገናል። so fulfill daily routine ነው የሚለው። so ወደ daily routine ላይ የሚቀረኝ ምንድነው? አንደኛ ኤክሰርሳይዝ ማድረግ፣ ሁለተኛ ማንበብ ነው። so እንደምንም አድርገን ሁለቱ ነገሮች እናደርጋለን። ዛሬ እንደነገርኳችሁ ቅድም ማዘር አገዜ ምናምን ብላለች ያልኳችሁ ከረሳችሁ ነው። ኦኬ አናስታውሳትም so አሁን ጋይስ ባክ ቴስት አሮኑ ለስንት ሰዓት እንደማደርገው ብቻ ግን እስቲ ለራሳችን ቻሌንጅ እንስጠው አይደለ? so ቻሌንጁ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? ማይ ሴትአፕ ስለሌለ ግባና አንድ ጋይስ okay guys I think አሁን ላይቲንጉ በጣም አሪፍ ነው ባይ ነኝ because በደንብ ያስተካክልኩት ይመስለኛል። ቺሪ የምትለዋን ነገር እንዴት ነው የቱን ነው የምንሰማው የሚለውን እንትን እንበል guys ፋኒ ቪዲዮ አይደለም like self development ቪዲዮ ነው። ፋኒ ቪዲዮ አይደለም guys ያዙት። I think no I think አይታያችሁም መሰለኝ ለእናንተ ለእናንተ አይታያችሁም ምክንያቱም ከታችኛ ያለው ፒሲኤል ነው። ሶ ችግር የለም ብቻ ግን ቪዲዮ እየመረጥኩ ነበረ። በቃ እቺ ፍሪስታይሏን እናጥፋትና ኦኬ ከዚህ ጋር ምን ቀንሰው ታባለ እቺን ቴሌግራም እናጥፋት good so አሁን ኤቭሪቲንግ አሪፍ ነው። so ምንድነው የምናደርገው? ቻሌንጃችን ምንድነው? የዛሬ ቻሌንጃችን ትናንትና ስንት ነው? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ነው። ዛሬ 9 እናደርገዋለን። ግልጽ ነው። ዛሬ 9 ጥሩ ክሊን የሆነ ፕላኑ የተከበረ ፕላን ያልተከበረ አይቆጠርም። ፕላኑ የተከበረ ጽድት ያለ ጆርናል የተደረገ 9 ሴታፕ ነገ ደግሞ 10 11 እያለን እንሄዳለን። so ግልጽ ነው። clear good so አሁን ወደ ስራ እንግባ። ብዙ ምንም ከዚህ በኋላ መነግራችሁ ማወራው ነገር የለም። so ወደ ስራ
know you're eager, you want it now. You see others moving faster and feel like you're falling behind. But let me remind you, real, lasting success takes time. There are no shortcuts, no instant fixes, no magic pill that will get you where you want to be without the work. Do you think successful people woke up at the top? Number. They spent countless hours, days, weeks, and years working through the struggle. They kept moving even when it felt impossible. They didn't wait for perfect conditions. They made things happen. They knew time was the key. You can't expect everything to fall into place tomorrow. The real work starts now, not next week, not when the conditions are right. The right time is now. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It's not coming. Start with what you have, where you are, and move forward. It's easy to get discouraged when everyone else seems to have it all figured out. But don't compare yourself to them. This is your journey, your path. Don't let their speed affect how you feel. Your time will come, but only if you keep showing up day after day. It's frustrating. You're tired. Maybe you're not seeing the results you expected. You've put in hours, days, maybe even months, and still feel far from your goals. But that's okay. It's part of the process. Every step, no matter how small, is progress. Every time you push through doubt and fatigue, you grow. Time doesn't just pass, it builds, it shapes you. Trust the process. There will be days when you feel like quitting, when everything seems pointless, but don't give in. The struggle is part of the journey. Setbacks, failures, mistakes, they all make you stronger. If everything were easy, it wouldn't be worth it. You were made for more than easy. It's tempting to chase instant gratification. You want the success, but not the struggle. But life doesn't work that way. The best things take time. Relationships take time. Building something meaningful takes time. And that's good, because if it were easy, it wouldn't be valuable. So stop rushing. Let things unfold at their own pace. Stay focused on the bigger picture. Time is going to pass anyway. Make it count. This journey isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. The people who make it to the top didn't rush through the process. They stayed consistent, even when things seemed stagnant. They kept moving forward step by step. And that's how you'll get there too, by being patient, staying committed, and taking each day seriously. You might look at your dreams and think they're too far out of reach, but they're not. They're only out of reach if you quit. Keep going. Don't stop. Keep putting in the effort. Every day, you're a step closer. Don't compare your path to anyone else's. Everyone has their own timeline. Someone else's success doesn't diminish your potential. Focus on yourself, your growth, your path, your time. It's going to take time. But that's where the magic is. In the journey, in the process, in the becoming. So be patient. Trust the process. Trust yourself. As long as you keep moving forward, no matter how slow it feels, you'll get there. It's not about speed. It's about consistency. And every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to who you're meant to be. Remember, it's going to take time. But in time, when you look back, you'll see how far you've come. You'll look at who you've become, and that pride will be worth everything. So keep going. Stay the course. It will take time, but it will be worth it. You might feel like time is running out or that you're falling behind. But let me remind you, you're exactly where you need to be. You are right on track. The clock is ticking, but that doesn't mean you need to race. Life isn't a competition. This is your journey, not a race against anyone else. It's about you versus yesterday. Making progress, even if it's small, every single day. Time isn't the enemy, it's your ally. It teaches you patience and endurance. It shows you that the best things take time and that struggle is part of the process. Think about the things that are truly worth having. Your dreams, your success. None of them happen overnight. They require effort. They require you to show up, even when it's hard and everyone else seems to be moving faster. But guess what? That's okay. You don't need to rush or compare yourself to anyone else. Your timeline is yours alone. Let go of the pressure to be somewhere else. Master the art of patience, and you will be unstoppable. Every setback, every failure, every lesson brings you closer to your destination. Every time you rise after a fall, you build the strength and character that will carry you to success. Time will pass, but it doesn't pass in vain. Every second, minute, and hour you spend working toward your goal shapes you into the person you need to be. It's not just about the destination, it's about the journey and the person you become along the way. The resilience, wisdom, and character you build will be more valuable than anything you could gain in an instant. You are building something that lasts. This isn't about quick fame or instant wealth. You're creating a life, a business, a legacy that will stand the test of time. The work you're putting in now will pay off in ways you can't even see yet. You'll look back and realize that every hard day, every moment of struggle was worth it. Stop wishing for things to happen faster. Stop looking for shortcuts. Embrace the process. Trust that everything is unfolding as it should. Your time, efforts, and sacrifices are all stacking up, even if you can't see the full picture right now. It's like planting seeds. You won't see the fruit right away, but with each passing day, the seed is growing, and eventually, it will bear fruit. It's natural to want success. There's nothing wrong with dreaming big and striving for more. But
Yo, what's good? እንዴናችሁ ታውቃላችሁ በጣም ብዙ ያየው ነበርና ያገኘው ይሄንን ነው ሁለቱም አክብሬያለሁ እንትኔ ግን ሉዝ ነበር ምንም በፊት አፕል አገኝ አልቻልኩም ሶ ባፕቲስት ይሄን ይመስላል ቀጣይ ታስካችን what's next what must be done okay ቀጣያችን ምንም የለም fulfill daily routine so what an exercise ማድረግ ከዛ በኋላ መጻፍ ማንበብ ነው ከዚህ በኋላ ያለው ነገር እና እስቲ አልጨረስኩም ይሄን ቪዲዮ በዚህ ልዝጋው ብዬ ነው እንዳይረዝም I think አይረዝም ባይኔ ግን ኤዲት እንድናደርገው እዚህ ጋር ጨርሰው ከዚህ በኋላ ኤክሰርሳይዝ ማድረግ ማንበብ ድጋሚ ገብቶ ፕራክቲስ ማድረግ በደንብ መማር ነው ከዚህ በኋላ so ያለ ነገር ይመስላል ለሁሉን እንግዲህ ይሄ ነው ኦኬ ምንም ያያችሁ ነው ጀስ ምንም ፍሪ ታይም አለበለኝ ሲልስ ከሆነ እየሰራው ነበር ከዚህ በኋላ ሰራለው so peace out wait that was done guys like የጨረስኩት መስሏችሁ ነበር አልጨረስኩም okay አልጨረስኩም like peace out no ገና ነው ለሱ ምንድነው ወደ ቁም ነገሩ ልግባ ምንድነው ሂጂ ኤክሰርሳይዝ አድርጌያለሁ ኦኬ በደንብ ኤክሰርሳይዝ አድርጌያለሁ አሁን ኮልድ ሻወር ወስጄ ድጋሚ ወደ ስራ እየተመለስኩ ነው so guys ስሙኝ አንድ ነገር አለ ምንድነው like እየሰራው ነው በተለይ ዛሬ ሙሉ ቀኑን ስራ ላይ ነው የጠፋሁት ስቲል ግን እየሰራው የሆነ even እየሰራው ራሱ እየመሰለኝ አይደለም so I don't know maybe I have to push more so አልጨረስኩም ገና ያችን 9 እንሞላታለን like quit አድርጌ ወጣው የመሰላችሁ ልጆች no I don't quit so ስንት ነው የሚቀረው like I think 7 ይቀረኛል ሁለት ስለሰራው so በደንብ ፎከስ አድርገን ሴታፓችንን እንጠብቃለን ካላገኘን ስኪፕ ያደርገን ቀኑ እንሄዳለን so let's go I think አሁን ታያችኋል ብዬ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ ሜቢ ቺን እንዲናርጋት እንዴ ናችሁ ፒስ ነው ፌስ ቱ ፌስ ይላል እቺ ሴታፕ ሜቢ ተመቻችሁ so እንቀጥላለን okay እንቀጥላለን guys fulfill ለማድረግ 30 ደቂቃ ማንበብ ነው እሱን ለተኛ ስልባ ነበው እንደውም ምንድነው የሚያደርግልኝ ከመተኛቴ በፊት ስክሪን ታይሚን ምን ይልልኛል ሪዲዩስ ያደርግልኛል so እቺን fulfill ካረግን done as a man ካሜራ ነው ይሄን ቀን እንደዛ እንጨርሰዋለን። ሴታፓችን ላይ እንግባ እስቲ። Okay. What do we have? እዚህ ጋር ይታያችኋል ሁለቱን ያለን ስንት ይቀረናል? አንድ ወደ ስንት ይቀር? ወደ 7 ይቀረናል። ሶ 7ቱን ፉል ፊል እናረጋለን። ሶ ጋይስ ይወጣ የመሰላችሁ ሁለት ላይ ኩዊት ያደረኩ የመሰላችሁ I was okay like ኩዊት ላረግ ነበረ ግን it's not me. So I have to push this shit up. Okay, I don't have to be half-ass on it, so let's kill it.
They come when you stop worrying about how long it takes and start focusing on what you're learning, how far you've come, and how much stronger you're getting. Time doesn't just pass, it builds, it molds, it tests. But time is also the greatest teacher. Through it, you gain wisdom. You'll experience failure, yes, but that's not a setback. It's growth. It's an opportunity to learn. Failure isn't the end of the road. It's just a pit stop on the way to success. Time gives you space to evolve. It allows you to adjust and return even stronger. And here's something else. Your time won't be wasted. Every day you stay in the fight. Every moment you push through doubt and fatigue. Every time you rise after being knocked down, they count. These moments don't just build your future, they build your character. They shape who you are, inside and out. And when you reach your destination, when you finally see the fruits of your labor, it will feel sweeter because you'll know you earned it, every single ounce. The road ahead won't always be clear. There will be days when the fog rolls in and you can't see where you're headed. But you must keep moving. Put one foot in front of the other, even when the path isn't clear. Trust the process. Trust that you're becoming the person capable of handling what's ahead. This isn't just about reaching a destination. It's about becoming the person who can get there. Some days will be harder than others. You'll feel exhausted, like you're not making any...
ዛሬ ከመምሸቱ እየመሸ ነው። ሶ ዛሬ አንድ ሪል መልቀቅ ፈልጋለሁ ጋይስ። ላይክ አንድ ሪል በደንብ ይጠቅማል የሚለውን አንድ ሪል ክሬቲቭ የሆነ ሪል መልቀቅ ፈልጋለሁ። ሶ እሱን ልልቀቅና ከዛ ወደ ስራ እንመለሳለን።
This isn't just about reaching a destination. It's about becoming the person who can get there. Some days will be harder than others. You'll feel exhausted, like you're not making any progress. You'll wonder if it's worth it. But those are the days that matter the most. When you keep going on the hard days, when you show up, even when it feels like everything is against you, that's when you build resilience. That's when you develop the grit to face any challenge that comes your way. And that's when time begins to work for you, not against you. We all have doubts. We all face fear. We all wonder, what if I'm not good enough? What if I fail? But those doubts aren't your enemy. They're just part of the process. The key isn't to avoid them. It's to acknowledge them and keep moving forward anyway. Every successful person has faced those doubts. The difference is, they didn't let them stop them. They acted even with the doubts, and that's why they succeeded. When you feel like you're falling behind, when time seems to be slipping away, remind yourself, it's going to take time. And that's okay. That's part of the journey. The real question is, what are you doing with the time you have? Are you using it to move forward, to learn, to grow, and to build the life you want? Time isn't the enemy, it's your partner. The more you show up, the more you put in, the more time will work in your favor. It's going to take time, but that's where the magic happens. That's where you become someone who can handle success. That's where you discover just how strong, resilient, and capable you really are. Time will reveal that to you, and it will be worth every second. So, keep moving. Keep putting in the work. Don't rush it. Don't get frustrated. Just keep going, because it's going to take time, and that's exactly how it's meant to be. When you reach the top, when you see how far you've come, you'll realize it was time that made it all possible. Time will be your greatest ally. And when you get there, when you've built something real, you'll know this. The wait was worth it. Every second was worth it. So embrace the time. Embrace the struggle. Embrace the journey. Because in the end, it's not about how fast you get there. It's about who you become along the way. And that, my friend...
What's good? Andy Nacho. ሳላስቡ በጣም ሰዓቱ ሄደ ከዚህ በኋላ ምንድነው ይሄን ቪዲዮ ኤዲት አድርጌ ሹት ማድረግበት ታይም ነው እንደምታዩኝ ነኝ ምንም አይነት ታይም ዌስት አላደረኩም ላይክ ከጠዋት ጀምሮ ዶም ጠዋት በጊዜ መነሳት ነበረብኝ አይ ቲንክ ከጠዋት ጀምሮ ስቲል እንትን እያልኩ ነበረ በደንብ ፑሽ እያደረኩ ነበር ዛሬ so ሙሉ ዘጠኙን ሂት ማድረግ አልቻልኩም I'm sorry okay ነገ እንግዲህ በዓል ነው እየተባለ ነው እኔ I'm not really subscribed to do that like እኔ ጋር ምንም ማተር አያደርግም okay ምንም ሆነ ምንም ይሰራል so ነገም ቪዲዮ አለ ለማለት ነው so guys ይሄን ትሬዲት was አዲስ ትሬድ ግን ልክ ሪቨርስ ሲያደርግ ብሬክ ኢቨን አድርጌ ወጣው like እኔን ካስወጣ በኋላ ወረደ ምን ልላችሁ ነው ይሄ ትሬድ አሪፍ ነበር ግን 1 to 2 ሩሌን አልጻፍኩትም ነበር ምንድነው 1 to 2 ሩሌ like 1 to 2 ተጠቀም ከሆነ ብሬክ ኢቨን ላይ አላረገውም like ሴት አረጋዋለሁ ሴት ፎርጌት ነው አለቀ ሴት አረጋዋለሁ ከዛ ሜድበት ነው ያለው ማለት ነው እንደዛ ነበር ማለት 1 to 2 ነው ጠባብ ሬንጅ ናት so በዛ ታይም ነው ፍላሽ ክሬት ያደርግ ይችላል so ያ ነገር ነው ቺና እንደ ፋስት እንደ ጆርናል እንደማረጋት ላሳያችሁ መጀመሪያ እንዲናርገው ምክንያቱም ብሬክ ኢቨን ነበር so ካርል shift s ነው ከዛ እሱን ይፋስታውን ሄደን ሴትአፓችን ላይ እንጻፍ ዛሬ ስንት ነው ያረኩት 1 2 3 4 5 is not bad also is not good ስላችሁ አይደው ምን ማድረግ እንደምችል አላውቅም ነበር maybe waste ያረኩት ታይም ነበር I don't know done no because ጋልጻፍ ነው ነበር so እዚህ ጋር ፔስት ላድርገው ይሄ የሆነው ነው ግን በጽፈው ኖሮ መሆን የሚችለው ይሄ ነበር ደግሞ ጽፈዋለሁ በጽፈው ኖሮ መሆን የሚችለው ደግሞ ይሄ ነበር ታይቷል ፉል ቲፒ ነካ ነበር ጸዴ ትሬድ ነበር የገባውት ፉል ቲፒ መንካት ይችላል ነበር አረን ነው ባለቀ ሰዓት እንትን አለ ሶ እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው ከዚህ ትሬድ የተማርነው 2 ልጻፈው ጽፈዋለሁ እንዴ ነው ለማረጋው ላይክ መጻፍ የነበረበት ግን አልጻፈ ግን የተማርኩት ነገር ካለ እዚህ ጋር ጽፈዋለሁ እዚህ ጋር ኖትቡክ ያለ እሱ ጋር ጽፈዋለሁ በቃ እንደሱ እናረጋለን ሶ እስቲ አንዴ ፋስት እንትን ቼክ እናርክ ዴሊ ሩቲን ኦኬ April ስንት ላይ ነው God ምንም አይዲያ የለኝም ኤፕሪል ስንት ራሱ እንዳለን ቲውስዴይ ነው እቺ ማርች ያልኩት ኮፒ ስላረኩት ነው ጋይስ ኮፒ ስለሆነ ምንም እንት የሚለው ነገር የለም ግን እዚህ ጋር ከ7 እስከ 14 ይላል ሶችን ቀይራት የፋስት ወደ ኤፕሪል 7 እናርገው in April 8 እናስተካክለው ብቻ ቀሩን April 8 April 9 ጋይስ ለምን አላውቅም እዛ እንትን ያልኩት ለምን እስከ 14 እንዳልኩት አላውቅም የቤተሰብ ይሆናል እዚህ ጋር እስከ 13 ነው ነገር so ሳተርዴይ ዛሬ ነው ሳተርዴይ አርብ እንዲህ ነበር ትንሽ አርብ ጥሩ አልነበረም ትላንት እነዚህ ታያችኋል ዛሬ ወርክአውት የፕ ሻወር የፕ ሜዲቴት ሜዲቴት አደረጉም ስተኛ አደርጋለሁ so ክሊክ እናርገው ወይ ነው አናረጉም ኦሬዲ ሚስ አድርገናል ግን እዚህ ጋር አላረጉም ምክንያቱም በታይም አልተደረገም ግን በታይም አልተደረገም ማለት ይተዋል አይደለም ይግድ መሆን አለበት ነው አርጋናል ባክቴስት ዲባክቲ ለጥለጠነዋል እንደ ጉድ የለም ሰንዴ የሌሎቹን ኮፒ ስላረኩት ነው እንዳለ እንትን ላይክ እንዳትወዛገቡ የሌሎቹን ኮፒ ስላረኩ ነው ኦኬ ትሪቶ ኦኬ ዲፕሪድ አሁን እናነባለን ሶ ክሊክ እናረጋት እሺ ኦኬ ሳይኮሎጂ ሪሰርች በደንብ ጆርናል ላይ ያረኩ ነው አሁን ኖ ስክሪን ታይም ይላል so already ከስክሪን ልንጠፋ ነው 15 ደቂቃ ነው ያለኝ ጋይስ በ15 ደቂቃ መጨረሻው ይመስላችኋል ዩቲዩብ ቪዲዮ probably not so ይሄ ነገር ክሊክ አናረጋው ሰንዴም ሰምዴይ ምን የሚለወጥ ነገር የለም so guys ለዛሬ በለን ቪዲዮ ይሄን ይመስላል ኦኬ ከዚህ በኋላ አልመለስም ፕሮሚስ አልመለስም so peace out